What's good, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy, back with another video. If you're new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But I am downtown. I'm on the waterfront. I'm actually about to take the ferry for the very first time to Brooklyn. I think it's the same ferry that goes to Staten Island? No. Oh, it's another ferry, but we're taking a ferry to Brooklyn to go to IKEA. We went yesterday, but lighting, where you at? Where you at, lighting? Okay, here we go. We went yesterday, but we need to return an item. So that's what we're about to do. Going on that one. Feel some movement on this. Ooh, I already feel weird getting on the ship. Hold tight now. What's that? Oh. Ooh.
All agreed to this. Don't be fucking changing it.
I'm wearing confidence on my eyes, y'all. Calm but cute. A 20-minute trip, it seems like.
Really drama. It have to be dramatic.
We've arrived. Again, we literally drove here yesterday and took the ferry here today. That's crazy. We're currently in IKEA. We have to return an item, but then we have to go back in the store and pick up a few things. But if you've never been to IKEA, I was literally in awe all day yesterday. We were here for like 2 hours and I was in awe for the entire time. They have kitchen showrooms, living room showrooms, bathroom showrooms. Stunning. Literally, it makes you want to just redecorate your entire house. And they have a cafe. It's mind-blowing, to be honest. It's extremely mind-blowing. But I did end up getting a Alex 9 shelf drawer and actually built it this morning. So I'll insert a picture or a clip of that. You're building, y'all. I'm building in the kitchen, so don't judge me. But I damn near got a lot of it up. Okay. But I'll definitely give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like throughout the store, but you got it. It's something you have to experience for yourself. I need it. Like, I just do. I need it. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at these. These are so nice. I got this one. But I wanted this one. Ooh, this feels so nice. But I got the gray one because it matches my color scheme. But the black is nice. That one's nice. That one's nice. Everything in here is nice. I'm in love. Look at how big this place is. Not done. Like, bruh. Where am I? Where are we currently? We are... I don't even know where we are. Oh, we're right here. But we did all the upstairs yesterday. Got a jet. Rushing back to the boat so we don't get left in Brooklyn. The sunset is so nice. If you spend more than $10 in IKEA, you get a free ride back on the ferry. definitely spend more than $10. Look at the sunset, y'all. We missed the water ferry, so we're on the train in Brooklyn trying to get back to Manhattan. It's even better in person. Back in Manhattan. About to get some food. I'm starving. So we're currently at this Chinese spot. I'm getting hand-pulled chicken noodles. And here is really, really cute. I haven't eaten since this morning, so I'm starving. Let me show you guys what it looks like in here though. Real nice. It's empty, but real nice. That's better. But it's super, super cute, and they have these little booths at the side. Real cute. Mommy's ordering some food. I'm gonna have that. Always got the sriracha on deck. I got the chicken over the noodles, and this is pear juice. This is so cute. Super cute. You got one, right? Headed home, so if you haven't already, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and also be sure to turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time your girl uploads. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.